Hi, welcome to Branding B360 Knowledge Club. In today's video, we are going to clear our understanding of Amazon advertisement and see the real picture. But before we start, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Let's get to know Amazon pay-per-click much better with some questions and answers. What is Amazon PPC? Well, Amazon PPC pay-per-click is the advertising model that only requires advertisers to pay a fee to Amazon when a shopper clicks on their ad. With sponsored product, you choose which items to advertise, assign keywords or other attributes, and enter a maximum cost per click amount, which is further then known as pay-per-click. How much does advertising on Amazon cost? Well, advertising on Amazon runs on a pay-per-click model where you only pay for the ad once someone clicks on it. Costs vary as you get to decide how to budget your ad spend. For sponsored products, you set a daily budget, and for sponsored brands, you can set a daily or lifetime budget. What is Amazon advertising? Amazon Marketing Services sells sponsored product ads, headline services ads and product display ads on a cost-per-click basis to its partners. Through their services, Amazon picks up revenue on the front end, that is advertising, and the back end when products are sold on Amazon. Types of Amazon ads. When selecting types of ads for campaigns, Amazon sellers have a variety of ad formats and placements to choose from: Amazon sponsored products, sponsored brand, and so on. Let's see the difference between display ads and video ads. Well, display ads are image ads that can be placed on Amazon, third-party sites, and other Amazon managed properties. Why use it? Well, to reach and engage customers on and off Amazon. It directs users to a product page or a store on Amazon or an external site. And usually, display ads are sold on a CPM, which is cost per 1,000 impressions basis, and prices can vary. Video ads. Well, video ads that can appear across Amazon sites including IMDb, as well as on Amazon devices like Fire TV. Why use it? To extend the scale of your video campaigns from TV to digital. Directs users to a product page on Amazon, your website, or third-party sites. Pricing for video ads varies depending on format and placement. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and share this video. Hit that bell icon and subscribe button so you won't miss our new videos.